and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my mom on my channel and I'm turning her into a orangutan, which I haven't had my mom on my channel in like 4.5 years.
It's been that long?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So today, instead of doing her makeup like I normally do my makeup and making her look semi-goth, I am making her look like a monkey, an orangutan specifically. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get started. So to start out, I'm going to start with the eyes and I'm going to use this kind of burnt orangey brown color. This is Elixir from ColourPop, and I'm going to put this just on a big fluffy brush because it does not have to be precise nor extremely blended. And we're just going to start filling in the eyelids with this. And I'm just kind of using circular motions, just getting all the way in the socket and all the way around the lid. And blending up with small circular motions as I go and extending past the eye socket. Use a black gel liner instead and just use a liner brush. So now I'm going to lay down a base, which probably seems kind of funny since we're painting so much, but I promise it makes sense. So we are going to start with my foundation color, which is very, very light. And put this on a beauty blender, and we're going to go around the upper lip and across the, that was so much. Just all in one area. We're going to go over the upper lip and kind of mouth area to create new lips. Just stick your lips out so I can get all the, yeah, there you go. Okay, now. I'm going to take a darker foundation, so this is the Milani 2-in-1 in shade number 2. It's quite a bit darker. And we're going to put this all over to create lots of dimension. You don't want to put it over top of that lighter area. You just want it around basically every other part of the face. And you don't even really have to put it on the forehead unless you want to. I'm just going to do it because it's easier to blend it around that way, but I'm not going to be real picky about how even it is. You can turn your face towards me. So now we're going to start on more of the animal features. This was just kind of like the start. We're going to start with some orange paint. This is the Wolf FX water activated paint, and I'm just using a small brush because we're going to work in small sections. And just go in like a triangle right here. So the paint's really thin right now, so it's going to look really watery. So while the forehead sets up, I'm going to start contouring other areas. I'm taking a mixture of brown and orange paint, and we're going to start contouring the face. So we're going to go along the jawline and up the chin. I'm using that same mixture up at the top to darken in what we've already done. Going back in with Elixir, which is the color we used first. Going in with the color we used first, Elixir, we're going to start creating kind of wrinkles and highlights. So I'm going to create one here down the middle of the forehead that kind of disappears up into the sides. That's how we're going to contour the nose as well. So we're going to take it right from the brow bone and bring it down and flare it out. So this is all going to come together like this. And take it all the way up through the brows. So you don't have to fill them in a separate color. there'll just be a little tiny strip of skin in between to give you a little bit of differentiation. At this point on the nose, we're going to go out and create like a flared out indentation. While we're working in the nose area, I'm just going to go into this black cream paint from Wet n Wild, and we're going to create nostrils that come all the way up from the natural nostril. Just going to keep adding wrinkles, so we're going to go under the eyes with this color of like varying lengths. So like we'll do like little short ones, we'll do some kind of out here. They don't have to be like perfectly equal the whole way across. With a small, more pointed brush, I'm going to do like lip lines here. And I'm doing that with brown paint. Just to create a more defined mouth shape, we're going to pull the corners of the mouth out a bit using brown paint. This is the finished monkey, ape / orangutan humanoid look. It kind of looks like something from Planet of the Apes.
Yes.
Because they're way more human-esque. This is the first time I've done like realistic wrinkles and monkey makeup. So this is what you got. So I thank you guys for showing this series a whole lot of love. It got like way more views than I anticipated. I think it's over 300 views at this point between the videos that are currently up before this one. So thank you for getting my watch time up. Please subscribe so I can make money off of this. I am poor. And thank you guys for watching. Leave a like and let me know what you want to see next. Goodbye.